Take 2. I just filmed the intro and for some reason my phone wouldn't record. So hopefully this works. Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I have a new product to try. It's the Fadelo hair dye color shampoo. This is the shade dark brown and I've never tried this before, so we're going to try it together. It says that it is moisturizing, has lasting shine and herbal essence. Never tried a shampoo that dyes hair, but I have tried, let me show you, one of those conditioning glosses. I thought this was just okay. It didn't last very long. It claims it's supposed to last like 10 washes and it doesn't. So we'll see if this is any better. The last time I dyed my hair with the Madison Reed, it washed out really quick. There is bleach in my hair from here down from like 2 years ago. It's still growing out. And there have been some hair dyes that have covered it pretty well, but the Madison Reed was not one of them. So when I opened this box, some things came out. This is like a poncho, I guess, to put around yourself. And we've got a hair cap. We've got some gloves. Let's see what's in here, maybe the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. There's 2 packets of all that stuff, which is nice. Then, that's not all. We got a comb. And then the product. This is 10.14 ounce or 300 milliliters. The instructions are on the side of the box. It says, keep your hair dry before use. Put on your gloves and press the bottle nozzle until the outflow of shampoo. Massage the hair gently from root to tip until the lather is formed. Massage and keep it on the hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off your hair with clean water. Every 10 to 15 days, use for a more lasting hair color effect. That's what it looks like right there. It's kind of drippy, so be careful. It comes out, it kind of comes out separated a little. There's a bit of a clear bit and then this colored bit. I guess it just gets mixed together when you put it on your head. This is not how I normally put on hair dye. I would normally section the hair, but I figured if it's a shampoo, I can just like scrub it in there like you would a normal shampoo. Okay, everything's all nice and foamy, and I can see that. Make sure I have it everywhere, including my forehead. I didn't use the brush, kind of forgot about that. I don't think you really need it. Honestly, it doesn't really seem necessary. You can just use your hands. Now I'm going to put on this cap and we're going to wait 20 minutes. If you got a big head, this cap's probably too small. Okay, 20 minutes, and then I'll wash out. I'll show you the results. Okay, while we're waiting, tell me what you did for New Year's. Tell me if you have any New Year's goals or resolutions. Did you fulfill your resolutions from last year? You let me know. One of my resolutions is to try to post here more, and I might expand my content a little, not just hair and beauty. I might do other things. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to figure that out. Go ahead. Tell me. Tell me about yourselves. Tell me where you're from. This is the final product. My hair's dry. It's clean. I think it looks great. It's darker than the Madison Reed. It looks pretty good. It looks shiny. I didn't add anything else to my hair. No styling products. So this is just how it looks. I like the color. I think it looks great. Now will it last? That's what we're going to find out. I'll keep you updated. It did not stain the tub, which is good to know. It came out just like a hair dye. It was easy to get out, no issues, and I think it looks pretty good. So, thank you for watching.